We are now home, and yeah, I'm reheating this. This is going to be the third day, and also I'm reheating the rice. Yeah, and I'm going to add some of this bok choy. Look at that, there are some insects. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. Nice, there are people there with their bike, relaxing. It looks like they are biking, and then they notice that it looks good in here, so let's stop in here. And now they are enjoying the view, and a lot of people in there are fishing. Nice. Yeah, today I finished at 2:15. Because of the daylight time saving adjustment, I am leaving the house. It's still dark. Oh, nice motor homes, caravan. And during my break time, it was not like this. It was all cloudy, but not going to rain. And now it is like this. The sky is blue. Oh, we do a little bit of baras. 5 is enough because, you know, we don't do that always. I am expecting today the GoPro Hero 9, the media mode. Yeah, I don't know, maybe it will come later this afternoon. Like this GoPro, it arrives in the afternoon around 4 o'clock. And it's going to be delivered by UPS. Whoa, they clean up in here. You see, it's clean looking around here. And you know who do the cleaning in here? Volunteer. Yeah, there are a lot of people who do volunteer in here. Good afternoon. If you check the website of GoPro, they have the camera available, but the other stuff are not available. I don't know why they are selling their things and don't have enough accessories available. Not good. I am supposed to buy an extra battery and the charger, but it's not available. Also the media mode, it was not available before, and then become available, and I bought it, and then I checked last time, again not available. Oh, we are here again. I don't know if the bird is going to attack me this time. Yesterday I was using other head cap, no other helmet, and didn't attack me. Let's see today. Who's that guy? Whoa! Yeah, you see that bird attack me again. Good thing it didn't touch my head. He's just attacking me one time. If you remember before, when I was in Anna Bay, I was attacked by the magpie like 10 times. He keeps on coming back on my helmet. There's so many people, and you know, the temperature this time is just so good to be in the water. I don't know, but actually when you get to the water it's cold. But of course, when you get to be in the water, you feel comfortable and you will stay there. Come and land this dream that you saw me through. Oh, we're just going to have a look in the marina, and then we go home. And when it's cold at night, you become the meaning of my life. Oh, there's so many people this time around here. So yeah, at the moment there are many people in there, and there is one guy performing a music, busking maybe, and in there many kids on the water, and most of the people who stays there are family. Yeah, that's it for us here now. We're going home, and the same like as usual, we're going to walk here because I really enjoy looking in the different things, different stuff like this. Oh, there's also another guy there who's basking. Nice. Oh, I still didn't fix that clock. That is late, like 1.5 hours late. Yeah. And like what I've said today, I'm expecting the GoPro media mode that I will use with my GoPro Hero 9. So good. It's very well done. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yo, we're going home now. I finished my duty at 2:30, exactly 2:30 when I signed out, and it was so good. Yeah, very fulfilling today because yeah, we did so many things. It was busy, and oh, there are people there. Yeah, we did so many things. It was an amazing feeling. Ah, they are family. I thought there is only one guy, but they're actually a family. There are many kids too. And here also there are many people. The GoPro media mode that I was waiting yesterday, it didn't arrive. Yeah, when I get home yesterday, I was waiting for that until 9 o'clock. Yeah, after 9 o'clock, I check our mailbox and there's none. Yeah, very disappointed. Oh nice, there are some people, they are camping. Nice. And there's a family, they are on their bike. It's really good when you see family, they are biking together. Really good. And we are now here again. I hope that the bird is not going to attack me. I don't know, maybe that bird is finding ways to really hurt me. Yeah, I hope that he's just going to hit my helmet and not any part of my body. Nothing good. I found the greatest love of all inside of me. The greatest love of all is easy to achieve. This is the greatest. Look at this. This is Datsman Beach. If you want to come here, it's really good here. There's many people this time. Amazing. Lead you to a let us find your strength in love. And you know, the temperature outside here feels like it's good to be in the water. I'm actually a little tempted to go to the water, but yeah, I don't like the sticky feeling right after coming from the water. You know that I have a video that's supposed to be uploaded yesterday, but I was very sleepy. Yeah, so I didn't upload. And then this morning I I was about to upload it but then yeah, didn't have enough time. So yeah, when I get home I'm going to upload that video. That is so late, but I feel like staying here a little bit, or maybe we go home so that I can upload it. Oh yeah, we go home and we upload that video. I hope that the GoPro media mode is at home already, delivered already. I hope. Okay, we are home, and yeah, there's no media mode yet. Not yet delivered. Now I'm going to take a shower and then going to upload the video that is supposed to be uploaded yesterday, last night. I was hoping for my GoPro media mode to arrive today, but it didn't. It is already 5 o'clock. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's good outside. It is already 15 minutes to 6 o'clock. Yeah, because of the time saving adjustment, I mean the daylight time saving adjustment, the 7 o'clock is still bright this time. And I have the rice cooking, I mean reheating. This is like a breakfast meal. And I just called the UPS and then they repair me to Star Trek. Star Trek is another company of Australia Post Office. And I check it here and it says that it is coming today. How come it is coming today? Look at that, it's already 5:46. Okay, I'm going to check outside. Maybe it's in the mailbox.